Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna be doing my quick I want to look good but I don't want to take too much time look. So basically this has been the look that I've been doing recently, which is kind of why I haven't been posting a lot of looks because I haven't really been doing very many. I've just been doing easy but I feel good in it looks. We're just gonna put our hair up, make life easier. It's also kind of hot in here, but I don't feel like taking this off. So to start off with the base, I like to use the Professional by Benefit to fill in all these holes I have on my face. And I just try to focus this on the center. And then lately I haven't really been using a sponge, my Real Techniques sponge, but I've been using my Real Techniques buffing brush to apply my foundation. That's not bad. On camera it might be worse, but it's fine. But I've just been really liking this foundation to cover all my red spots I got going on right now. And then I'm in shade 00 Light Natural. I was really excited when I saw that they came out with more colors in this foundation because 01 was the lightest shade and that's what I was using, and that's my tan shade, so that puts into perspective how white I am. And I'm not taking full pumps every time I pump it, just so everybody knows. You don't need that much. And I also go over certain areas twice because I have acne and I want to make that disappear as much as I can. Let's be real, I just don't care. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I've been taking the NYX HD concealer and I'm using shade 1. I'm just gonna use that to conceal and highlight a bit. And lately I've been noticing I'm really dark up in here in my inner corner, so I've been trying to conceal that as much as I can. Okay, and then to buff out my concealer, I've been using one of my old favorites. This is the Morphe G1 brush, and this I feel is just perfect to buff out concealer, in my opinion. Oh, and a quick tip, if something feels too dry, your product feels dry, your brush is really dry, just spray it with some facial spray. I really like the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So I've been using that a lot, just because I feel it adds more creaminess to the product. Okay, and then as you can see, I've left the inner corners, and I'm taking this Royal and Langnickel precision angled brush, and this I'm sure is for eyeshadow, but I feel it's perfect for this. Just fits right up in there because I don't really like to get concealer all over my eyelid. I feel like a new woman. Okay, now that is done, recently I've been using this the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. This is the translucent shade. My friend Jill actually got me this for Christmas, so thanks Jill. I actually really like it. And I take that with a setting brush from Real Techniques. I just pop that on. And I don't use tons of setting powder because I've noticed that as I've gotten older my skin is a lot drier and it reacts way different to powder than it used to. I used to powder my whole face. I would never miss any part of my face ever because I was so oily growing up. But now that I'm 20, everything is dry. So I just set the areas that I know still get kind of crazy, which is underneath my eyes I need to set, my forehead wrinkle, and then around my nose and my smile lines. And then because I wear a lot of t-shirts and higher neck stuff, I like to take it and set my neck. And then this is a new brush I just got. It's technically a bronzer brush, but how is that gonna know? So I decided I'm using it as a powder brush. I'm just setting my neck and my ears. And now that I'm done with that initial part of my face, I'm going to spray that facial spray just to meld everything together. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to quickly do my brows. It's the same thing I do in every single tutorial if I've put it in a tutorial, so I'm not really going to talk about it. And now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to go in and I'm going to bronze up my skin. My skin's had a chance to settle in and relax. So I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I'm taking this new contour brush. It's the same shape as the old one. It's from Real Techniques. I'm just gonna bronze myself up. And I kind of contour, but it's more bronzing, I feel anyways. And I take whatever's left on the brush and just run it on my nose. Just matches everything else, and I do take it on my jawline and down my neck. Now I'm going to go in with the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Eye Primer, and I still use this even when I'm not doing tons of eyeshadow because my eyelids are so oily that it will mess everything else up, so this helps it not be crazy oily. I just put that everywhere, and then I'm gonna bust out the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I got this for Christmas from my friend Alexis, and I haven't used it yet. I'm really excited, so hopefully there's a shade in here that I will be able to use. Ooh, this is really pretty. Okay, so we have a lot of nice transition shades. We don't have a plain matte, like, eyelid shade. So I'm just gonna go with my translucent powder, and I'm gonna take that with a Real Techniques domed shadow brush. I'm gonna set that primer so nothing moves. I don't want anything to move. Now usually I would just take my bronzer and I would use that as like an all over like lid color just to put something on my face or on my eyes. But I'm gonna take one of the transition shades from the palette. See, what do I want? I think I like Sunder, which is like this shade. I'm gonna dip into that with my MAC 224 brush. I'm really excited to try this. Oh, that's nice. And I'm literally putting this like everywhere just because I want something that's going to define my eyes, but it's not going to make them. I like don't want to do a lot today, so. Okay, and now that that is done, I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to use a shading brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to put this underneath. And I feel like this will look good with any like Buddy's eye color because I feel like warm neutral shades always look good and they make eye colors pop. I wish I was doing more looks. I could use one of these eyeshadows, but so far I'm like really into the transition shades and I like how big they are. So now I'm taking the highlighter I use. This is the Pixie Aspen Ovard Santorini Sunset highlighter, and I like to use this. Wow. You think I'd have like all my stuff like ready. It's like in front of me, but it's not ready. Okay, so I'm taking the M510 brush and then I'm just hitting the high points of my face and right up here also. And this is actually my all-time favorite highlighter. This and then MAC Soft and Gentle, the best highlighters. Okay, and then I'm gonna take it a little on my nose, on my Cupid's bow, on my keen. And then I'm gonna take this little smudge brush from Real Techniques and I'm just gonna pop this right in the inner corner. This honestly probably is not my ideal brush for doing this, but it's small and it's doing the job, so. Now I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Trooper tattoo liner and I'm just gonna line the top of my lashes. I feel like I'm way better at doing like a winged liner than I am at doing just straight across eyeliner. So bear with me. That's the best that's gonna get. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and pop some mascara on, and I've been using the Wet n Wild Mega Link. Pro tip, you have a spot in your eyeliner that comes off from your eyelash curler, just use the tip of your mascara. It's fine. Now I'm gonna put blush on, and Alexis got me some blush palettes for Christmas. So here's the Profusion 6-color blush palette. That's the one I'm gonna use. You probably can't even see that because of the reflectiveness of this stuff. But yeah, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm really feeling like these four over here. This one's okay. That's a lot. That's like quite a bit. I'm gonna do a Playful. I feel like that did something. That's cute. I kind of want to put a little. Oh, that one is doing it. Okay. Okay, I'm doing a mix of Playful and Lush. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take my powder brush and blend that in a little bit more. Now that that's done, I'm gonna put eyelashes on, and these are the eyelashes I use like every single day, obviously. That's what I'm gonna put in this video, but they are the Ardell Mega Volume 251s, and I really like them because they're really curled. So yeah, they're really pretty. But these are on like their last leg. I really need to go get more. But I'm gonna use the Black Duo eyelash glue, and I always start with my right eye, and then I let them sit for like a while. Like I want them to get like really tacky. And then I think I'm gonna pick a lipstick color out of these Bite Amuse Bouche Liquefied Lip Set. 3 I'm picking from are Demi Glace, which this one I thought was really pretty. It's like a darker brown, which I feel like I might go for. And these are really nice because they're literally like liquefied lipstick. Like they're not like a matte lip. They're like glossy. So I really like them, and they last a long time too. Like I wore the other one on Christmas and it was this really pretty like reddish orange color, and I actually really liked it, and it stayed on for most of the day with me like eating stuff. Okay, the next one is another nude. This one's Whip. This one's like a nude, which I think would be pretty, but I want to do something more like, I don't know. And then this one is Flambe, and it's like a really pretty like red. But I don't know if that's too much with like the orange on my eyelids. So I think I might just end up doing demi-glace. Okay, now since I've let these dry, taking my Tarte lash applicators, I think it just works nicely. I feel like I need this to be like closer because this isn't working. Okay. And I already f***ed up. That we're just gonna leave to sit for a second so I can fix it later. And we're just gonna put glue on the other one and then let this one sit so it gets nice and tacky. I feel like I do way worse at putting on like eyelashes when I'm on the camera. Honestly, this is why these are my favorite. They just look so good and like they're still like, I feel like they're like my version of what I want natural eyelashes to look like. Oh yeah, that's another thing I like to do. After I put my eyelashes on and they're like on, I put the eyeliner over the top so you can't see the glue like whatsoever. Because even though this is like a darker glue and it dries like clear dark, I just don't want to be able to see it ever. And also I'll take like my eyelash curlers and I'll make sure my lashes are like pushed with the false ones. These are so good. My outer corners are playing me though. Okay, for the left one I like to use tweezers, which like don't, but you know, I can't seem to figure out how to use just a normal eyelash applicator, so I use tweezers. And then I just try my best. You know that like terrifying moment when you're trying to put eyelashes on and then you can feel your eyes start to water? These are on, they're fine. Okay, while that is drying, I'm gonna put on the lipstick. I feel like I should use a lip liner, but let me see. That's like really nice. That's not as dark as I anticipated it being, but I like it so far. I do really like the applicator on this, like a lot. I feel like this like makes me want like chocolate. Okay, now that it is all done, I'm gonna take my eyeliner spray from Urban Decay. I'm gonna set everything. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video if you did like it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you can get notified when I post more videos. And you can also check out my other social media accounts down below. Like I have my makeup Instagram, my personal Instagram, and my Twitter. I will see you guys the next time I upload. Have a great day. Bye.